Okay. Finish. Okay. You add the ice cream, the coconut water to the ice cream.
Yeah.
How do you do it? Okay, I want one.
Okay, which one?
Thailand is more than rice, right? It's more than rice. There are very beautiful places in Thailand, very beautiful tourist sites. If you get here, you might not even want to go back to Ghana again. Welcome to Chinatown Bangkok, one of the busiest and most vibrant neighborhoods in the city. In this video, we are taking a walking tour along the Yaowarat Road. So that road is the Chinatown Road, the heart of Chinatown, where street food, culture, and chaos come together in the best way possible. From sizzling walks and neon light to ancient temples and hidden alleyways, we are exploring it all on foot to show you the real vibe of Bangkok's Chinatown. So lace up your shoes and let's hit street of Yaowarat. This is going to be a delicious and unforgettable adventure. So let's go! This is Chinatown. Yeah, if you come to Bangkok, try and visit this place. You get cheap food, you get good massage. If you have not watched my massage video, go and watch it. I did Thai foot massage here, so a lot of beats here. I don't know how. Yeah. So, if you want massage here and everything, you can get it on this streets. So this is Chinatown, and then you see beautiful food that you see. Okay. So every design here, it's basically Chinese design. So it tells you why they call this place Chinatown. Yeah, it's indeed Chinatown. So if you want to come here, if you're in Bangkok, just find your way to any MRT station or BTS station. If you are close to BTS, just take BTS to BTS Asok, and then there you take a train to Wat Mongkon. Yeah, Wat Mongkon MRT. Take it. So when you get to Asok, BTS Asok, you ask of the MRT station. They have Sukhumvit MRT station. The same place, just get down, get the Sukhumvit MRT station, and then when you are paying, you tell them you are going to Wat Mongkon MRT. So they will show you where. I think you use platform 1. Yeah, and then they get you to this. So this is the junction of the MRT. station. It's this junction. This junction leads you to the MRT station. And yeah. So guys, this is Chinatown. So they have hotel here. So what? Hotel Royal Bangkok at Chinatown. So if you want hotel, then like everything that you want, yeah, you get it from Chinatown. This place. So they're selling everything. Fruits, whatever you want, you're gonna get here. It is Chinatown for you. And they have tuk-tuk. You want to take tuk-tuk, you have taxis, tuk-tuk and everything. You want to take taxi, you want to take tuk-tuk. So these cars are called tuk-tuk. I guess you have been seeing some in Indian movies. Yeah. It's called tuk-tuk in Thailand. And you know they are even more expensive than the taxis. It's crazy. I don't know why. I don't know what is really I don't know what is really about this transport thing that expensive. Okay, so this is Chinatown. So I'm so yeah, Chinatown. I will have to come back here and do some content about food and other stuff. So yeah, okay, so you see my guy. Oh, Chinatown is a whole lot. It has all kinds of activities here. You see the dancer. Chinatown. So you see all kinds of people here. All kinds of people from different countries, different religions, different races, and yeah. So see my guy do it. He's cooking the food. So from Chinatown, yeah. Chinatown. Yeah, so that's that. They have all kinds of food here. You want food? When you get to Chinatown, come to this place. Kuku Aloha. Yeah. So let me get Kuku Aloha. Sawadika Talai. Talai. How much? Hosip. So what do you do with it?
Ice cream. We have ice cream and coconut water.
So you add the ice cream, the coconut water to the ice cream?
Yeah.
How do you do it? Okay, I want one.
Okay. Which one?
What is this? What is this one?
This was coconut sugar and then coconut roll.
So you mix it? Okay, let me try this one and see. Yeah. I want to see it. So we are going to do coconut. What's the name of the thing? Super coconut, right? Yeah. So this is super coconut Chinatown. What's the name of this road? Okay. I don't know what is it. Okay. So that is super coconut?
Yeah.
Okay. So can I have a place to sit? Okay. Yeah, this is super coconut. So they have mixed ice cream with coconut and some cheese or whatever. You know, I'm trying. It's not bad. Yeah. I bought it from these beautiful ladies. So it's on one of the streets of Chinatown. Super coconut from these beautiful ladies. You do not forget to subscribe my channel once again. How much? He said this is foot massage, right? So I'm going to do foot massage. Yeah, 30 minutes for 150 baht, 1 hour for 200 baht. Okay. So where are they? That place? Lotus. Lotus? Where is Lotus?
Yeah, Lotus.
Okay, let's go. You take me there? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let me get. I'm doing only 30 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna do 30 minutes massage. Are you taking motorbike? Let's see. So which people are going to do the massage for me? Is it ladies or boys? Is it Puyin or Puchai? Who's gonna do the massage? Puchai or Puyin? Oh, okay, I want Puyin. Yeah. So I'm saying I want a lady to do the massage for me. I think this is the cheapest foot massage I've ever seen. So I don't know. Mostly it's a bit expensive. I think because there are a lot of them here. That is what. Oh, so okay. So we're supposed to go with this. So this my guy is taking. Hey. Oh, so we're taking the escalator. Okay. A lot of them are on the road. They are just looking for customers. Okay, so this is the place. I'm coming. So they have the prices here. Oh, hey, so this is how the building looks like. Okay. Ooh. A lot of people there. Foot massage. Okay, so let me remove my shoes first. My foot is ready for the massage. 30 minutes. Oh. So that's the foot massage. See how they are doing the thing. Well, if you have a lot of cramps on your leg, some people say anansi. Yeah, a lot of anansi. You need a lot of foot massage. Only foot massage. They will give you a nice one. At the end of the day, you're gonna have blood flowing through your legs. Isn't this beautiful? Screaming the. Have you ever tried a massage when you visit Thailand or anywhere else? This boy, you didn't know time. Look at the boys everywhere. Yeah, okay. Go close. And go home, you don't want to go for a radical. All of them can speak English anyway. Let me enjoy my massage and leave. Yeah. So they cannot. All of them can speak English. I'm just doing my massage and talking. I think about 5 minutes time I'll be done, and I will leave. Oh my god. Okay, they just want to be in a video. Yeah, I wish they're able to speak English. And I'm also meant to Thai, so yeah, we shall see. So I'm still enjoying my massage. So it's either you are working, you do the work for the visa, or play football. So you're not playing football, you're not teaching machine, or maybe you have been working for an international company. Yeah, apart from that, those junior jobs you cannot do it here. So the only thing you have to do, you get married, and then you get married visa. Of the massage. So yeah. So this is Thai foot massage. So today I brought you this video from Chinatown. Thai foot massage. Yeah, finally we are done. Yeah, let's see what she's doing to my leg. Yeah, so we're gonna end here, and so this is the this is the last minute part of the massage. Okay. Finish. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so finally we are done. Back on the streets. So yeah, we are back on the streets, still at Chinatown. Hi, hola. Come back. So, yeah, because a lot of people are selling things here. If you don't go for the customers, you will stay in your shop and you're not going to get it. So you see the massage. I don't know if you have watched my massage video. Even the massage, they do those with massage shops. You go there and like they are on the road. The massage shops in the massage shops are there, but then they send people to the road, and yeah, so the people come look for customers on the road. They hold their prices and everything. They come and look for people on the road, and they take them to the massage shop. So all kinds of businesses. You can live here, and then when you want to return to your country, you go. So they have hotels, they have banks, they have a lot of food, they have massages. Unless maybe you want to go to other tourist site that you want to go. But if not, you can stay here and do everything. A lot of people say, especially in Ghana, they will say, hey, Thailand is about rice. Thailand is more than rice, right? It's more than rice. There are very beautiful places in Thailand, very beautiful tourist sites. If you get here, you might not even want to go back to Ghana again. But this place is crazy. Your food are cheap things here, and yeah, you get a lot of beautiful girls too. If you're a guy, if you're a lady, well, we'll talk about that later. So yeah, so this is Chinatown, and yeah, so it's evening, a lot of tourists, so a lot of foodstuffs around the road. So all these people are tourists. All these people, all kinds, they are from different kinds of places. So this is Chinatown in Bangkok. Yeah, so today I decided to come and show you guys this place. Okay, so guys, we'll meet in our next video. A lot of beautiful girls too, all around this place. So you get everything that you want. If you don't want this, that's your own cup of tea. You get beautiful girls, good food, good hotels. What do you want to get in life? Okay, so thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.